Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 widgets not working in PC, and also guys you can fix if not working in laptop. So very simple. Start settings. Now here click on personalization and click on taskbar. Now here guys you will see option widgets turn on. Just guys you have to turn on widget setting, then close it. So hopefully guys after this you can enable and you can see widget is working properly on your Windows. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and by this setting we can know how to fix Windows 11 widgets not working. Please comment this method work for you or not.